Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yep, it's one of those times again. Me and Jack are going on a small adventure. If you've been around cars, you probably have heard the phrase barn find. Well, they do exist in the boat world as well. I've actually looked at this boat 3 years ago when it was still in use, and yeah, it's a really exceptional boat. It's all aluminum, it's a motor yacht, it's big, with flybridge and everything, but it hasn't been used, it's on land, and it's been developed to barn find. So we are heading out to the woods, to the countryside, to a big barn to have a look at this boat once more. And yeah, we will see. Jack, we need one more boat. Behöver vi det? Yeah, Jack thinks we need one more boat. I'm not sure. Yeah, but like I said, I just tracked down this guy. We are heading there. We will arrive in about an hour. So see you when we are there. It's big. Mm. Vänta, jag måste ha mer lampa bara för att se något. Now we are in the aft cabin. It's big. It's like 3 meters across here. Maybe so up. Really big salon here. Really nice woodwork. Exit hatch. Big beaver.
Pappa, kom. Pappa, kom. Där uppe startar man.
Ja. Men du inte snurra på ratten så mycket när den står på land.
Men pappa, titta.
Ja, jag ser.
Oj, det är något. Här, titta. Vad tittar du, pappa? Pappa, titta. 2 varv har den snurrat.
Nice teak deck. And yeah, the whole boat is aluminium. Look at this. Really nice woodwork. big penta diesel. När vi är färdiga. Nice tick.
Komma upp här och vi kan bilderna runt där bakom lappen. Jag kan sitta och styra. Spindeln där bakom. Nu går vi till rum.
Jag får sitta där. It was a big boat. 11 length in waterline at least was 11 meters and 3.7 meters wide. It's big. Jack, vad tyckte du om båten? Var den bra? Var den stor? Hade den behövt fixas till? Yeah, it's a big boat and it's in fairly good condition. All the wood needs some sanding and new oil, and yeah, it's in good condition, but it's need a bit of touch. But what do you say, Jack? What do you think about the boat? Do we want it? Do we want it? Do we need it? Yeah. Yeah, we will see. Yeah, I have a lot to think about, but yeah, we will see. It needs a new electric system and needs a new kitchen, and yeah, bit of work.